Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, and I'm here to share in this video the student loan interest deduction worksheet. We have two versions of it. We have a short version, which is 9 lines, and we have a longer version, which is 16. And they was dealing with two different types of clients. And the publication of 970 is the publication you use to reference education credit, which covers American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. And so I've been in this industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 as a business owner. So I specialize in helping individuals who are already in this industry transition from working for a tax firm to starting their own tax business. That's my specialty. That's what I do. Also have a partnership program where you can also get started with learning how to operate on your own tax business by partnering up with me as well. And I also have a mentorship and coaching program for people who have already got started. They're new to the industry. They got their EFIN already. They got their business account already. They basically got all the information set up and they're ready to go. They just need some support during the tax season and after on what they need to be doing concerning their business. And that's what I help provide with the consulting mentorship program I have. So if you're interested in that, just reach out to me with the contact information that I leave inside of any of my videos where we can talk and connect, see if we're a good fit for one another, and we can take it from there. So we're about to get started in this video. Like I said, this is a short form when it comes to student loan interest deduction worksheet. Schedule 1, line 20 is where that entry would go on this particular form. And so it says line 1, enter the total interest you paid in 2019 on qualified student loans. And it says see instructions for line 20. Well, line 20 is Schedule A. And it says do not enter more than $2,500. So this person had $1,943 in interest paid. So that's what we put on line 1. Line 2 say enter the amount from Form 1040 or 1040 SR line 7B. In this particular scenario is 0. It says line 3 enter the total of the amount from Schedule 1 line 10 through 19 plus any written in adjustments you entered on the dotted line next to Schedule 1 line 22, which is 0. Number 4 says subtract 3 from 2, which is 0. Line 5 say enter the amount shown below for your filing status. Single, head of household, or qualifying widow is $70,000. Married filing joint filers is $140,000. And then it says, is the amount on line 4 more than the amount on line 5? Is no. It skip line 6, 7 into 0, and on line 8, and go to line 9. The next question says, so based on those instructions, we go to line 9. And it says subtract line 8 from 1 into the results here and on Schedule 1, line 20. So we brought down the $1,943, we put it on line 9, and we carried it over to the Schedule 1, line 20, like it instructs us to do. And that's how we do it when we come to doing it by hand. So everything I'm walking you through is based on the concept of you actually learning how to probably do this by hand more so than by software. Because with software, you're going to go to an entry on the software, and you're going to put in the dollar amount, and it's going to carry it over to this worksheet for you and do all the calculations. And so that's the greatest difference when it comes to preparing individual income taxes and learning them how to prepare them by hand versus someone who strictly learned by doing it using software. So the students that I work with are more well-rounded when it comes to learning and understanding the forms and the worksheets that they prepare because they've had a hands-on approach to it. They've been trained how to fill them out line by line, instructions, follow them to the very end until you get a result, and having additional resources to reference if they need to. So in this video, we went through the short version of the student loan interest deduction worksheet. Like I said, they have one in the publication 970, which is a 16-pager. Which is a 16-liner worksheet, because it deals with another type of client who has other types of income that can be excluded from the tax return, which must be acknowledged on that particular type of client. So for a person who has simply a W-2, the student loan interest, and nothing else going on for us, other outside types of income that can be excluded from the tax return, then we use the short worksheet for those. For people who fall under other situation, like I said, we have the publication 970 inside of there. It has the 16-line student loan worksheet that you'll fill out for those clients. And so if there's any other videos you'd like to see concerning worksheets, let me know. I plan on doing a Social Security worksheet to help you figure out what's the taxable part of Social Security for those who work as well as receive Social Security. So I'll be doing an upcoming video probably today or tomorrow concerning that. And I'll be doing just more and more different types of learning situations as we get into the season when it comes to how to fill out all the different types of forms, the schedules, and the worksheets. Because a lot of times the worksheets, they generate on their own based on the information you put in the software. But when you're learning how to do them by hand with my course, you get to learn about the worksheets and how to fill them out. And those are things are that's important when it comes to learning this skill set and being in the industry that's awesomely wonderful and happy to be seasonal at the same time. And so I help generate income in other ways other than just tax preparation. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.